In just a few years, AI could replace entire teams, reshape industries, and create entirely new ways to make money. The AI gold rush is here, and it's not just for tech giants or coding experts. It's for you. Whether you're a beginner, a tech enthusiast, or an entrepreneur, the opportunities to get rich in the AI revolution are massive. But here's the catch. If you don't act now, you risk getting left behind. In this video, I'll break down the 5 biggest AI money-making opportunities you can start capitalizing on today, even if you're starting from zero. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to not just survive, but thrive in the AI-driven future. So let's dive in. Before we get started, if you're serious about making money with AI, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm sharing actionable strategies you won't find anywhere else, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Number 1, finding your niche. Let's start with the foundation, finding your niche. You can't make money with AI if you don't know where to focus. The best way to pick a niche is to start with what you already know and love. Ask yourself, what are you passionate about? What skills do you already have? Maybe you're great at video production, design, content creation, or even math and science. Whatever it is, lean into it. Here's why this matters. If you pick a niche you're not passionate about, you'll burn out. And trust me, building an AI-driven business takes time and energy. But here's the secret. Don't go too broad. Start small, dominate that niche, and then expand. Think about it. Facebook started as a platform for Ivy League students. Amazon began by selling just books. These companies didn't try to conquer the world overnight, and neither should you. Start with a specific subset of your market, and once you've mastered it, you can scale up. Research companies in your niche. Look at their market cap. The bigger it is, the more opportunity there is for you. For example, if you're passionate about healthcare, look at companies like Teladoc or Moderna. Their market caps are in the billions, which means there's a lot of money flowing in that industry. Find a gap and fill it with AI. Number 2, AI agents, the future of automation. Now that you've got your niche, let's talk about the first big opportunity, AI agents. If ChatGPT and Gemini are the brains, AI agents are the bodies. They're the tools that can actually go out and do things like automating tasks, analyzing data, and even making decisions. Here's why this is huge. Businesses are desperate for AI agents. In fact, a recent report by McKinsey found that 70% of companies are actively investing in AI automation to cut costs and boost efficiency. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding expert to build AI agents. Platforms like Crew AI allow you to create agents that can handle tasks like sales, marketing, analytics, and even finance. Let me break it down. Sales AI agents. These can analyze leads, prioritize high-value prospects, and even predict which leads are most likely to convert. Imagine saving your sales team hundreds of hours by automating this process. Marketing AI agents. Personalization is the name of the game. AI agents can tailor content, ads, and emails to individual customers, boosting conversion rates by up to 30%, according to a study by Epsilon. Analytics AI agents. These tools can pinpoint which customers are most valuable to your business. Did you know that 80% of your revenue often comes from just 20% of your customers? AI agents can help you focus on that golden 20%. Finance AI agents. They can track the lifetime value of your customers and campaigns, helping you stop wasting money on unprofitable efforts. The opportunity here is massive. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for AI agents that save them time and money, and you can be the one to provide them. If you want to know more about luxury, wealth, and lifestyle, my channel has a variety of topics, including personal finance, success tips, and insights into the lives of wealthy individuals aimed at helping you improve your life and achieve your goals. Click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bells, because I dish out valuable information every week. Number 3. Translation services. Go global with AI. Next up, AI-powered translation services. The world is more connected than ever, and businesses that go global win big. Think about it. Companies like Tesla, Coca-Cola, and Nike aren't just American brands. They're global powerhouses. Here's a staggering stat. The US makes up only 4% of the world's population. If you're only targeting English-speaking markets, you're leaving 96% of the world's potential customers on the table. That's why translation services are in such high demand. With tools like 11 Labs, you can translate and transcribe content into multiple languages in minutes. Imagine offering this service to businesses that want to expand internationally. You could translate websites, blogs, social media content, and even videos. Take Mr. Beast, for example. His YouTube channel is available in multiple languages, and it's a huge reason for his global success. Or look at Apple. Their website is available in over 30 languages. These companies understand that going global means more revenue. And with AI, you can help businesses do the same. Number 4, AI podcast services, the audio goldmine. Here's another booming opportunity. AI podcast services. The global podcast market is projected to grow from $36.2 billion in 2024 to $134.4 billion by 2029. That's a compound annual growth rate of 31.8%. With AI, you can turn blog posts and newsletters into podcasts by cloning someone's voice using text-to-speech software. You can even offer bonus services like publishing and marketing. Another way to cash in is by creating short-form clips from long-form content. Tools like Opus AI can analyze a 60-minute podcast and generate dozens of short, engaging clips perfect for social media. These clips can go viral, driving more traffic and revenue for your clients. The key here is to combine AI with your creativity. The more value you offer, the more you can charge. Number 5, AI data visualization. Make data beautiful. Next, let's talk about AI data visualization. In a world drowning in data, the ability to present complex information in a simple, visually appealing way is priceless. Infographics, for example, are a powerful tool for explaining data. Did you know that content with visuals gets 94% more views than text-only content? That's why companies are willing to pay top dollar for AI-generated infographics. Tools like Pictochart can turn raw data into stunning visuals in minutes. Whether it's explaining the psychology of colors or breaking down sales trends, AI can help you create content that not only goes viral, but also drives conversions. Number 6, AI website building, the low-hanging fruit. Finally, let's talk about AI website building. This is one of the easiest ways to make money with AI. Platforms like 10Web allow you to create professional websites in minutes. No coding required. Here's the kicker. Most businesses either don't know these tools exist or are too lazy to use them. That's where you come in. You can target newly formed LLCs and offer to build their websites for a fraction of what a web developer would charge. And here's a pro tip. Offer SEO optimization and blog content as add-ons. Businesses know that organic traffic is gold, and they'll pay you to help them get it. If you want to know the #1 book I read that totally changed my life and made me wealthy, then you have to watch this next video.